Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Benable, a fast-growing affiliate platform that's been popping up all over TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. A lot of people are calling this one of the easiest ways to make money online by simply sharing recommendations. But is that actually true? In this video, I'll break down exactly what Benable is, how it works, who it's best for, its main features, the pricing, the real pros and cons, and you'll know if Benable is legit in 2025 or if it's just another overhyped platform. Let's get started. Benable is an affiliate recommendation platform that lets you earn money by creating lists of things that you genuinely like or recommend. Instead of writing long blog posts or building complicated funnels, Benable focuses on simple scroll-friendly lists like best tech gadgets, favorite home products, travel essentials, restaurants or local spots, book tools, or online services. You create this list inside Benable, and when someone clicks an item and makes a purchase, you earn an affiliate commission. What makes Benable different from traditional affiliate marketing is that you don't have to apply to individual affiliate programs. Once you join, you get instant access to tens of thousands of brands already connected to the platform. That means no rejection emails, no waiting periods, and no needing a website or huge social media following. So if you already tell people what to buy, where to eat, or what tools to use, Benable is basically saying, why not get paid for that? Now let us talk about the main features. Instant access to thousands of brands. One of Benable's biggest advantages is instant affiliate access. You don't need approvals, you don't need applications or traffic requirements. You just add items from supported brands and the affiliate tracking is handled automatically. Simple list creation. Everything revolves around your lists. You can create niche focus lists, seasonal lists, or personal favorites. Each item can include images, descriptions, and context so it doesn't feel spammy. Automatic affiliate links. Benable automatically converts supported items into affiliate links. You don't need to generate links manually or worry about tracking codes. Share anywhere. You get a single profile link that you can share on your Instagram bios, on TikTok, on YouTube descriptions, blogs, even Pinterest. And this makes it easy to use Benable as a link in bio replacement. Platform discovery. Even if you have a small audience, Benable allows other users to discover your lists organically. This is a big deal for beginners who don't have traffic yet. It also has a beginner-friendly dashboard where you can browse to discover great lists from Benable creators. The interface is very simple. You don't need technical skills. Everything is designed to get you publishing quickly rather than overwhelming you with data. Now, what is the pricing of Benable like? You want to hear this? It's completely free to use. You can see the sign up button in the right upper part of the platform. It says sign up for free. So there are no sign up fees, no monthly subscriptions, and no upgrades that are hidden. You basically earn money through commissions when people buy through your recommendations. However, there's a payout threshold that means that you must earn a certain minimum amount before you can withdraw your money. And this is important to understand because some users take a while to reach that level, especially if they're not promoting consistently. So what are the pros and cons of using Benable? First, we talk about the pros. It is very user-friendly and beginner-friendly as well. There are no follower minimums, no affiliate applications, and it's free to use. It's good for product and non-product recommendations, and it's also great to know that they have good ratings on Play Store and App Store. What about the cons? Well, earnings can be slow at the beginning. The payout threshold may take time to reach. There are limited analytics compared to advanced affiliate platform, and you're limited to brands within their ecosystem. Another thing is that it's not ideal for advanced marketers who want full control. So now the big question is Benable legit in 2025? Well, based on everything available right now, Benable appears to be a legitimate affiliate platform. It's most likely not a scam because they also have a great social media presence. However, this is important to know. Benable is not a shortcut to instant income. If you sign up expecting overnight money with no effort, you will likely be disappointed. The platform works best when you create consistent, helpful lists, you focus on niches that people actually search for, you actively share your profile, and you're thinking long term. So for beginners, casual creators, and people who already love recommending things, Benable is a great low-risk entry platform into affiliate marketing. But for experienced marketers that are chasing high commissions, custom deals, and deep analytics, Benable may feel limiting. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and LTK. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.